So I did decide to take a 0 at Cross Trails Hostel. My my legs just felt really tired, and I think a good portion, a fair portion of that is just because it's been like 130 miles since I took a whole day off. I took a couple Neros in there, and on top of that, I got the new shoes that were my legs and feet are adjusting to. So the combination of that is causing some little discomfort, nothing major. I just wanted to acclimate to the shoes and give everything a rest for a day. And tomorrow I'm gonna get up pretty early. I'm gonna pack as much as I can pack tonight, and then try and get a pretty good run on it tomorrow. And I like to get between 15 and 20 miles, and throw down wherever I can in that mile bracket with the tent and everything. And I'm walking up to there's a little convenience store. I'm not gonna Harper's Ferry. I would love to go back to the rabbit hole, to be honest with you, but I don't feel like doing a 4-mile round trip, so I'm just going to do a 0.3 to a little old gas station Crown convenience store. I think they got a hamburger or whatever. I'll roll the dice. So this is like 0.3 from that Cross Trails Hostel. You got the packaged goods, which I'm probably going to stop in, see if you got another 6-pack of England. You got this restaurant, the Guide House, that unfortunately is closed on Monday and Tuesday, and today is Monday, and tomorrow I'll be gone, and it's closed tomorrow anyway, so that stinks. Would have liked to go in there. Now I'm going to hit that Crown right there and see what kind of junk food I can grab, and that'll be that. Alright, so it dawned on me that I showed you what was the bags that I put in my backpack, but I didn't show you what was in the bags. So this is a full, I don't have a scale, but this is a full food bag for me. I'm about ready to go do 4 or 5 days. So honey bun, honey bun, honey bun, honey bun, candy bar, cookies, all good stuff, as you can see. These things of cheese, peanut butter crackers. Oh, another candy bar, Snickers. Try got me onto this. Healthy Grains peanut butter clusters. Some Davita cinnamon brown sugar cookie. Nature Valley wafer peanut butter chocolate. Builder's protein bar. Another protein bar. Some, I got a little bit left of Jif squeezed peanut butter, and I used that as Try told me to put that on the spoon, peanut butter, and you dip the spoon inside the bag of peanut butter clusters, and actually tastes pretty good. Got another cheese cracker here, the almighty Spam. I got my electrolyte powder drinks mixes. Oops, another honey bun. I'm gonna have one of them for dinner tonight. Protein bar, Cliff, Northside chicken and broccoli, another Davita cookie, fail-safe ramen noodle. Cliff Bar. Where did I put that at? Right there. Another Nature Valley peanut butter biscuit. Stink bug. Nature Valley. Nature Valley. Idaho peanut butter nerd mashed potatoes. Oh, good. Another Propel powder drink, which is very important. Nature Valley. Premium white chicken in a bag. It's already cooked, no draining, so I just scooped that out. Northside chicken flavor noodle. Another Idaho buttery mashed potato mix. Chunky light tuna in water. My spoon. Another cracker. Another Spam. This is good for me to get an idea. Oh, man, I got another Snickers bar. Good. Sometimes you just lose track of what the hell you got in here, right? Another ramen noodle, beef flavor. Some Sweet and Low. Of course, I don't have the coffee anymore, so I might as well get rid of the Sweet and Low. Another Cliff Bar. Lemon pepper bumblebee tuna. I will get a kick out of that. I've had this oatmeal since the beginning of the trip. Oh man, good. I got a couple more of these powder drink things. Oh, I do have one coffee there. And I have a bunch of Jolly Ranchers that I usually use when I'm doing my ups, as you guys know by now. And that's it. That's what's in my bag. And I got when I hang the bear bag or the food bag. Here's my string. Pretty much whatever's left in here is just all Jolly Ranchers. Oh, good. And another one of these nice powders. So that's what's in my food bag. A mix of good and bad, I guess. And again, like I said, I got a bunch of Jolly Ranchers down here, but I'm not going to pull them all out. You know what they look like? They look like that. Okay. I'll go through what's in the electronics bag, which is actually relatively heavy. I have a C adapter power cord and plug. That's like a turbo one. Try and charge things faster. I have earbuds or whatever, so like when I'm in my tent at night where there's people around, I can do videos or watch a movie. My headlamp at night, seeing what's going on in the tent, or if I'm doing the morning walks when it's still dark. 20,000 Anchor battery brick. Pretty heavy. I think that's a pound in itself. I carry a spare phone plus that phone that you're watching through, and the tripod that the phone is on. This is another C adapter. I guess I really don't need that. This is another power cord, so I can do two things at once when I'm like in a hotel room or whatever. It's another C adapter. And my watch that broke. And the battery charger for the watch. They can go, but I just haven't had time to nail things home. I accidentally have my car keys with me, so I've been toting them around the whole time. This is a smaller adapter for I think it's my Garmin. And one of these small ones is for the Garmin. And this is something I don't use. It's like a speaker for the phone. If it was like windy or not, but I haven't really used it, so that could probably go. And that's it. That's all that's in there. Alright, so this is another heavy bag. These are the 3 heaviest bags. My clothes bag's pretty heavy too. Alright, so let me sit down while I do this one. Toothbrush and a small thing of toothpaste. Sorry, it's Crest. I have vitamins in here. I have a mix of multi-purpose vitamin, zinc, and some Benadryl in there. Sleep. Gold Bond medicated powder. I think I went over that already. It's for the chafing. I have a couple like a prescription and non-prescription inhaler. I get allergies every now and then. I start wheezing a little bit, so that's just in case. I got eye drops, which I haven't even opened yet. This is a patch for my blow-up sleeping pad. I forget what the heck that's called. Whatever. That's the patches for that. You got Neosporin. Some more things I don't take. Blood pressure medicine and some B12. Since I lost all the weight, I'm kind of taking any blood pressure medicine. Some Carmex Classic Lip Balm. Tylenol, 8-hour pain relief, or whatever. It's acetaminophen. I don't take ibuprofen. Actually, I'm going to take a couple of them tonight. And a pair of tweezers, which I need this tonight because I got to trim my toes. I got some KT tape and this Calamos. I can't say it. Sean had this stuff, so I threw it in there. It's an ointment if you get a barrier, like if you have an irritation. And then I got some Claritin in case I do get allergies. A couple Band-Aids that you don't really need. You got some change laying around on the bottom there. I don't know what it is. I don't know what they are. But a pair of tweezers. And that's all she wrote for that. Oh wait, that's in that bag. What else is in here? That's just that bag. Got my spare shoelace. Well, that's the one I had on my Solomon. So I got new shoes, so I got 2 new shoelaces. In addition to the Far Out app on my phone for navigational purposes, I also have the 23 edition AT guide in case for some reason I couldn't use the app. We got some pertinent bill information, some dinero, and some stuff, letters and whatnot from Jeff and Hannah, and some bills and stuff like that with the account numbers just in case I needed it. Which I don't because Hannah's taking care of it. More quarters. It's like washing machines or whatever at a hotel. Sometimes you need quarters. Another shoelace. My cup. That I really don't use except for cooking. I put the water in there. And then I have the fuel inside the cup wrapped around so by a bandana so I don't clank, bang around, make all sorts of noises as you're walking. Deodorant, which doesn't really do any good right now. My pocket rocket. You screw this on top of that canister of fuel. You open that up and you sit your cup on there with the water in it, your fuel is underneath it, you light it, and that's how you boil your water. Elm knife.